Hello Game of Apps students, friends, and family. As we look back to a chaotic and often unpredictable year, one thing has been clear: change is inevitable, and those who embrace change are not only able to adapt quickly, but are also able to thrive. Our mission is to prepare youth for 21st century careers. The design and development skills you're learning, although very important and marketable today, is just the beginning. More importantly, we want to instill in you the following: an endless curiosity, a continual desire to learn, being comfortable with ambiguity, the ability to embrace change, and being able to effectively collaborate and work with individuals having different skill sets and backgrounds. This, we believe, is the formula for success in any future career. The first 10 weeks of Game of Apps has been a whirlwind. Many of you found it challenging to keep up with the weekly lessons and exercises. But most of you have risen to the challenge, and I give you kudos for that. It is not easy. The program materials are equivalent to second or even third year university courses, and the tools and techniques you're learning are the same ones we use in the industry. So, congratulations for making it this far. As we look forward to a new year, the word I want to leave with you is hope. Hope that the world can finally tackle COVID-19 and things will return to a somewhat more normal state. But also hope that we will be better individuals as a result of the lessons learned in 2020. Specifically, for you Game of Apps students, I have hope that the skills you've learned will not only allow you to do well in semester 2 and the competition, but these will also be skills that you can take with you to be successful in your post-secondary studies and afterwards be successful in your future careers. On behalf of all the volunteers and mentors at Game of Apps, we wish you all a happy new year and a successful and hopeful 2021.